The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Quick Lobster Bisque is a luxurious yet surprisingly simple soup that brings the elegance of a fine dining restaurant to your home kitchen in just 25 minutes. Instead of the labor-intensive traditional method, which involves roasting lobster shells and simmering stock for hours, this streamlined version builds flavor from a classic butter and flour roux, enriched with milk and heavy cream, brightened with a splash of dry sherry, and finished with tender chunks of cooked lobster meat and fresh chives. The result is a silky golden orange bisque with a delicate paprika blush and a deep, briny sweetness that lobster lovers will adore. Serve it with warm, crusty rolls to sop up every last drop. Main ingredients: 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons minced onion, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 3 cups milk, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup dry sherry, 1 cup chopped cooked lobster meat, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh chives. Seasonings: 1 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon paprika. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Mince the onion. Finely mince enough onion to yield 2 tablespoons. The small dice ensures the onion softens quickly and melts seamlessly into the roux without leaving noticeable chunks in the smooth bisque. Step 2. Chop the cooked lobster meat. If using whole cooked lobster, remove the meat from the claws and tail. Chop the lobster meat into bite-sized pieces, about 1/2 inch chunks, to yield 1 cup. If using pre-cooked lobster meat, simply portion and chop. Set aside. Step 3. Chop the fresh chives. Finely snip or chop fresh chives to yield 2 tablespoons. These will be stirred in at the very end to preserve their bright onion garlic flavor and vivid green color as a garnish. Step 4. Measure out all remaining ingredients. Have the butter, all-purpose flour, milk, heavy whipping cream, dry sherry, salt, and paprika measured and ready. Because the roux and simmer move quickly once on the heat, having everything pre-measured ensures smooth, stress-free cooking. Cooking steps. Step 1. Build the roux. In a soup pot over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of minced onion and sauté for 1 minute or until the onion is tender and translucent. Sprinkle in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly with a whisk or wooden spoon until the flour is fully blended into the butter. Cook for 1 minute. This brief cooking step removes the raw flour taste and forms the thickening base for the bisque. Step 2. Add liquids and simmer. Gradually pour in 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of dry sherry, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of paprika, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture just to a simmer, do not let it boil. The gradual addition of cold liquids to the hot roux keeps the base smooth and silky. Step 3. Thicken the bisque. Cook the bisque, uncovered, for 15 to 18 minutes, stirring occasionally until it has slightly thickened and coats the back of a spoon. Do not boil. Boiling can cause the milk and cream to curdle and the sherry's delicate flavor to turn harsh. A gentle, low simmer is the key to a velvety texture. Step 4. Add lobster and chives. Stir in 1 cup of chopped cooked lobster meat and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh chives. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, just until the lobster is heated through. Overcooking will toughen the delicate lobster meat, so keep this step brief. Step 5. Serve immediately. Ladle the hot bisque into warmed bowls. Garnish with an extra sprinkle of chives or a light dusting of paprika if desired. Serve immediately with warm, crusty rolls on the side, perfect for sopping up every last drop of this rich, sherry-scented broth.